Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Data Geek Trading. I welcome you all once again to a new video where we are going to reflect onto our trades on Tuesday and understand the kind of profits we were able to generate via data-backed trading strategies. So, as you remember, one day before I had shared these levels with all of you on my Twitter channel. So as soon as the market gapped up, I waited for the first 15 minutes for this level to get broken out and sustained it. Then I initiated my first position of 38,800 puts, where I sold puts. And once it reached this level, 39,000, and it created this particular pin bar, and it started going towards continuation. So it was a proper case of a breakdown, retest, and then a continuation. Hence, I confidently short these puts. By the time the market reached here, which was around 39,300 levels, 38,800 puts had decayed almost by 69 to 70%. I covered these positions and I shot another put of 39,300. And by the time we were lucky enough that for such a trendy day, usually it doesn't happen, but I was just riding the trend. As soon as it reached 39,500 levels and sustained over it, the 39,000 puts got totally out of the money and decayed by close to 75%. I winded them up and I added a risky one of 39,800 PE while maintaining these two, and eventually this also became at the money, and I covered this position. I covered this position because I wanted to carry forward one more position overnight because Thursday is an expiry. So I'm just carrying 39,800 puts with a bit of a hedge, and eventually I was able to generate a profit of 1,40,000. These are just the open positions which are being shown, but I'll try to tell you what exactly I was trying to do. So look, I take a risk of 1% in every trade. Now, as soon as the risk of, let's say, 2% was being covered, I was winding up 50% of the position sizing, and I was riding the other, and then adding the put of the upper levels. And then as soon as the previous put was getting out of the money, I was trying to add more in the money puts, and I was trying to realize all of these PNLs. So we were able to successfully realize a PNL of close to 1,13,000, and overall PNL of the day was 1,40,000. Along with that, we were able to generate an intraday futures trade, 1:1 RR trade of Colgate Palmolive, which I had shared on my Twitter channel a day before, where it was a case of a breakout, then a retest, and then it was going for continuation. So I bought at this breakout with this as my stop loss, and this is my target. And as soon as it reached here, this gave me close to 1% of my portfolio. So I wanted this also up, and eventually, as you can see, we were able to generate a profit of close to 1.4 lakhs, and I trade with a capital of 10 lakhs, as you all know. So my overall portfolio gains was quite impressive. It was close to 14%, just by following the level. So the idea of this video is not to show you how much profit I did, because I already shared that on my previous video. The idea is to tell you guys that once we do our homework and once we create these levels, right, we have to trust our analysis. Like, see, you can work on any other setup, you can just ignore the data driven approach which I'm telling you. But the reason which data driven approach tells you is that it tells you the truth, right? It tells you the actual data behind it. A cup with handle pattern or a channel pattern or a triangle pattern is just probabilities, but here it is the real truth. So hence, I feel very confident even if I have to increase the position sizing. And yes, our expectation shouldn't be that every day the market would give us opportunities like this or give us opportunities for like this. Here also we were able to short here and we drove huge profits here. But look, the markets can also be like this, right? When let's say we take a position and then it hits a stop. So if this would have reversed down from here, right, I would have held on to these puts, but I would have easily covered these puts, right? And if this would have fallen further below this, I would have still held on to these puts, and I would have added a call here and created a triangle out of it. So you have to be very smart during the market hours. So as for the as for tomorrow's expiry trading, let's have a quick look at what Dow Jones is doing. Dow Jones looks looks, oh wow, it's quite it's recurring quite a bit. It was way below here. It's -4 as of now, but however SGX Nifty shows a -300 point gap down, and if it, let's say, lands at close to -300, then we can expect a 600 point gap down in Bank Nifty. We don't have to worry, right? We have to just follow our levels, whether it's gap down, gap up, etc., and we have to observe the price action near our generated levels. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please follow this Twitter channel, which is Data Geek Trading, and my Twitter handle is DeathYardT. To get more data-based, data-backed trading strategies, I upload the trading plan on almost on a daily basis. So I hope you make good money out of it. Just try these levels on your own with small quantities and just see, guys, how magical this is, because you don't have to wait. You just have to execute during market hours. Apart from that, I've also shared a Tata Consumer Products. It can be a cash trade or a futures trade. It's a perfect volatility contraction pattern with 26% to down to 21%, and now it's down to just 4.2% volatility. So as soon as it hits the 810 levels, I'm going to take 780 as my stop loss with 30 rupees, and then we're going to ride it until 890 or 900 levels. I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed watching this video. Until then, have a great day and have a happy expiry tomorrow. I'll be back with the trading plan for tomorrow in no time. Thank you so much.